If you're looking to create customer journey emails with Mailchimp, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to set up automated, personalized email journeys that engage your customers at every step of their experience. Stick with me till the end, and I'll even share how you can get started with Mailchimp for free, plus some exclusive bonuses that could help you maximize your results. The first thing you want to do when creating customer journey emails with Mailchimp is to understand the concept of automated workflows. These are emails sent automatically based on customer actions, like signing up, clicking a link, or making a purchase. You can set these up by going to the Automations tab, where you'll see a range of pre-built workflows for common email sequences. Next thing, once you've chosen your workflow, it's time to personalize. A simple hello, first name can make a big difference in engagement. But don't stop there. Mailchimp allows you to use dynamic content blocks, so you can adjust the email content based on what your customer is doing. If they're about to make a purchase, you can send them a discount code. If they've abandoned their cart, you can remind them about the items they left behind. The third thing to consider when creating customer journey emails with Mailchimp is timing. You don't want to overwhelm your customers, but you also want to make sure your emails hit the right moment. That's where Mailchimp's segmentation and scheduling tools come in handy. Set up delays between your emails and ensure they land at the right time based on customer actions or the time zone. The fourth thing is testing. You should always test your emails before sending them out. Mailchimp offers A/B testing, where you can test two versions of an email to see which one performs better. This is key in optimizing your email journeys and improving engagement rates over time. Finally, let's talk about analytics. After setting up your email journey, it's important to track how each email is performing. Mailchimp offers detailed reports so you can see open rates, click-through rates, and more. This will help you fine-tune your emails to make sure they're as effective as possible. Now, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Mailchimp for creating customer journey emails completely free with our exclusive bonus offer, linked in the description below. And if you're ready to dive deeper, we've got an extended free trial just for you, so you can start testing and seeing results right away. Remember, crafting customer journey emails with Mailchimp isn't just about sending emails. It's about creating personalized, timely, and relevant experiences that keep your customers engaged and coming back for more. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial.